Hi artists! Today we're going to draw mittens. We need mittens every winter, and the easiest way to draw mittens is to use your own hand as a guide. So what I want you to do is get a clean piece of paper in front of you. It could be from a sketchbook, or it could just be a plain white piece of paper that you have on hand. A good pencil, nice and sharp, with an eraser. You can also use a crayon or something smaller if you like, but a pencil is the best thing to start out with so that you can erase anything that you would like to. And remember, there's no mistakes, just keep trying. You can pause this video at any time to catch up. I'm going to be using a Sharpie so that you can follow along and see the visual lines that I make. If I use a pencil, it comes out too light. So you're going to use your hands to make two mittens, and one hand is going to go here and the other hand is going to go here, and it's going to be fun tracing this hand because this is not the hand that I write with. So let's get to it. Placing your first hand on the first side over here, you're going to literally trace your hand, but not super close to your fingers because mittens are not gloves. Mittens just go around your hand. So let's do that. You're just going to go around the thumb and around your hand like a halo circle and stop. There's your first mitten. And so you can connect it, and I'm going to add the detail of the bottom to mine. My next one is going to go right next to it. And this should be really interesting because this is not the hand that I'm used to writing with. So I'm going to be super slow and patient and take my time to make this line go around my hand as easy and steady as I can using my left hand. Let's see how this goes. Ready? Probably get mark on me, but that's okay. All the way around. And they're going to overlap a little, which is totally fine. You may get stuck. It's okay. So this one came out a little wider, and that's fine. You can fix those lines with your eraser, whatever you like. I'm going to connect mine. I'm fine with it. This hand is bigger than the other, and that's okay. Mittens are not the same. I'm going to add some ribbed detail to my mitten bottoms. And you may have a favorite pair of mittens that you could put on the side of your picture and look at for color inspiration. What color are your mittens going to be? What is your favorite color? You could put stripes on your mittens, you could put circles or squares. You could even try to make stars if you wanted to. I think it's really neat to see all the different designs that different mittens have. So I'll give you a little starting point for these mittens. They're going to have stripes. And that's just connecting the lines from one side to the other. And I'll just make this go down a little. And then I'm going to do the same thing on my other mitten because my mittens match, but maybe yours don't. And that's okay. And maybe your mitten has some buttons on the bottom or some circles of like little beads or something, some detail that you want to put down, and you can do that too. And I'm just going to do those really quick here. And the next part of my video is sped up because I like to add color in a really fun way to show you inspiration. And again, mine is going to be different from yours because we have different mittens. Enjoy. Have fun, artists.